Hey everyone, I'm Eric, the CEO of Blocksee.
Hi, I'm Josh, I'm co-founder and CMO of Blocksee. We're here with Web3 CRM.
All right, so there's a big problem in Web3. There are no Web3 native marketing tools, no dashboards, no CRMs. Right now, marketers are spending dozens of hours every week on Etherscan, and they're manually copying and pasting that data into spreadsheets. They're trying to use Web2 CRMs like Zoho and HubSpot. There's no way to put a wallet address in it. And it doesn't have to be this way. Your smart contract desk, your NFT collection is an amazing historical archive of all of these interactions that can automatically populate a marketing dashboard.
As soon as users log in with a wallet or smart contract address, we start seeing sales funnels automatically generate to your dashboard with no code solution. You'll be able to take those insights and track individual wallet addresses where you can build customer profiles so you can better understand your community and refine your marketing approaches. From that data, you'll be able to segment that total audience into custom lists where you can start to generate unique activations like airdrops and token-gated chat, which we also will be able to provide sort of a flywheel effect for that funnel.
That's a user profile right there. That is a wallet address. You can build user profiles against wallet addresses. This is a true Web3 CRM that leverages on-chain data and information in the wallets and smart contracts. So the opportunity here, if you're an investor or a marketer who wants to try our live beta, is one, community building. This is the Blocksee chat. You can invite users into our chat because right now Discord is full of scams, spammers, all kinds of security flaws and hacks. People are losing their data. You also have a very unique opportunity to use one of the very first enterprise-level on-chain CRMs in the world with Blocksee.
Our go-to-market strategy is a B2B to C model. And we've been working on our beta to onboard enterprise-level clients here that offer an addressable wallet market of over 1 million users that we hope to start converting to our Blocksee chat during this beta process.
All right, so as we said, our MVP is live. It went live last week. We've got many beta testers starting to use it. We're asking for $1 million in a safe and a $12 million valuation. Thank you for listening to our pitch on Blocksee.